question is given an n ranges, we need to find the maximum appearing element. So given n ranges, so find the maximum appearing element in their ranges. So in their ranges is what it means, like, so let's take the array. Here in question, array is given as left array and the right array, that is something is given 1 2 3 1 2 5 and 15. So this array is given and the right array is given. So 1 it is given as 5 8. Guys, please focus on that question because it will be very interesting, as this will be also suffix sum. So for the output it will be gonna is 5. Now the output is how it is 5, I will say from the array 1 to 5, the left array 1 to 5, 1 5. So I will write for this 1 2 3 4 5. Now the given ranges for 2 to 8, from 2 to 8 again same 6 7 8. Similarly goes for 5 to 7, ranges is 5 to 7. You guys can similarly also see like now 15 to 8. Now we need to write 15 16 17 18. So can you tell me, as the question states that find the maximum appearing element in their ranges, so in all the ranges which is the maximum appearing element?
5.
5 is appearing here one time, 5 is appearing in here one time, 5 is appearing here one time. So the 5 is output. So suppose here will be 6, here 5 is not appearing, but still which element is occurring most?
2 3
5,
4 5
5 is appearing most and 6 is also appearing most, right?
2 is also
2 is also appearing here most, right? So we will return the minimum of the elements.
okay.
So 2 5 6 are appearing at same frequency, so we will return the which element is coming before, which one is smaller. So 2, so here output will be gone on for this 2. So this is the question states that. Now everyone clear with the question, output and input?
Yes.
Yeah, chalo, then let's discuss the approach. So it will be gonna very easy approach. First, naive approach. What is the brute force approach, I can say. So approach 1. So can I use here map? Can I use here, guys, map? Right. So if I'll use the map, so I will say my map, and I will in map what I will say, I'll take the map as 1 and take the frequency. If 1 appears, update my frequency with 1, and if 2 appears, update the frequency with 1. If 3 appears, update with 1. So similarly 4 appears, update it with frequency 1. So whenever my element is got repeated, it will updating the frequency with updating frequency, right? Suppose 5 appears, it will update with 1. 5 appear here again. So here in 1 2 3 5 we updated the frequency 1 1 1 1 1, right? So for next range, I will update my frequency of 2 with 2, 3 with 2, again 4 with 2, 5 with 2. But in the next again iteration, in the next range I will update with 3, update 6 with 1, update 7 with 1. So this map approach is clear. How we are incrementing the frequency, is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Right. So in storing map, just between the ranges we are trying to storing the frequencies. So in the map now I can find the maximum appearing element, right? So which is the maximum appearing element? 5. So return the 5. Is it clear, right? Suppose now 5 frequency is here also 2. Which is the minimum appeared frequency is now 2. So return the 2. So like this we need to write. So here for this will be 1, I will gonna return 5. So what will be the time complexity with this for this guys? Big of
n.
and as we are running traversing through whole array only, and for
Space to 1.
space not 1, it will not gonna 1 by
N times we are using space context.
yeah, we are using map, right? So it will be big of n. And I guess we are traversing through 2 arrays, so it will be big of n into
square.
max. Why the here given array is left and right, right? So that's why I guess we are again will go and traverse again from 4 to 5, 5 to 7. So this approach is clear, right? So is it easy approach only, right? We can find it out how the ranges are defined. So let's discuss the optimized approach. Approach number 2, where the space can be optimized. So this will not gonna change, right? Why? Because of n into max.
Among time and space, space complexity should be, sorry, if time complexity is very less and space complexity is huge, will it be called as optimized?
Correct.
Called, yeah?
Yeah, it will call. Suppose it will be decreased to n into max to n only, then it is optimized approach. Otherwise, we need to decrease the space complexity. Minimum time should be, time complexity we should decrease, but in this case we can't because left and right both array are there. So let's discuss the approach number 2. What approach number 2 is also same as we gonna take array. So I'll take my max array. So what will I gonna do here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I took this array and initialized the all indexes. Okay, let's see this later. Now what I'm saying is here so given ranges, I'll take the given ranges as well. So here I am saying my left array and right array. So I am traversing from 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5. So I will update my, if I am appearing 1 with 1, update 1. Got to 1, 3, 4, 5. Right? From 1 to 5 updated my 1, right? Okay, understood. This is clear, right? And 2 to 8 again. Again 2. 2 is occurring now again. So I will update it 2 again. So it will be gonna looks like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Why am I increasing the 2 element only? Why not 3 or 4 or 5, 6? Because at index I want the element, right, which has more frequency. I need to at last return the frequency which is more index only, right? So from 5 to 7 again I will update my 5 with 3, 3, 3. I updated. So 5 frequency is now 3 at most appearing 3, right? Now again
15, 7.
So this all will be gonna 1 only, right, here at last.
Yeah.
So this only 1 I am writing like this. So this is understandable. So now here I can say from 5 to 7, like here the first array is 0, 0, 0, 0. So before whole array is initialized with 0. So I will increment my 6 frequency by 1, right, not by 2. Is it? I am correcting my
Yeah, if the below one is not
Correct.
increased, we can.
Don't increase that. So 5 frequency is mostly appeared, right? 3.
Hmm.
So is it clear, right? In first iteration 1 to 5 I updated with the 1 to 5 range only. Then 2 to 8.
Uh,
Then only 2 to 8 I increase the frequency and other remaining with 111.
hmm.
And 5 to
Got
7
it.
with again increase with 3 to 2. If number is exist, then increment. Otherwise don't increment.
Hmm.
So here it will be 1 of 1 only again. If no nothing is exist, here again 0, like this it will go on.
Hmm.
So now the final array, how the final array will be look like. The final array, the prefix array I can say as well. So it will gonna look like me 0 1 2 2 again 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 2 2 1 0. It will gonna look like this. So I will gonna return the index of 5, right?
Hmm.
So got this approach.
Got it.
Yeah, so here this approach is kind of hashing map, right?
Hashing में भी hashing करना पड़ेगा.
In
दो
array
तीन.
we are incrementing the array. So for this also the time complexity will be gonna looks like big of n into
Yeah.
max. At maximum wherever we are going, n into max, right? And space complexity will be gonna for this big of 1, right? Big of
But
n,
bro,
sorry.
I see either n or n square. What is n max meant by?
And max is maximum where we are reaching. Suppose 15 16 18 there, right? So up to 18 we are traversing the array.
Okay.
Suppose the maximum in question, suppose it is given as r max, it will be equal to 10 to the power 6. Then we need to traverse up to 10 to the power 6. So it will be gonna n into 10 to the power 6.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the time complexity and space complexity. Again, like this is not the optimized approach, right? So as we are
It looks like brute force only.
so again let's discuss another, the expected approach. Which one is the accepted approach for time complexity will be same for all three, but yeah, let's discuss the expected approach. This is the better. Similarly again I will take the array. I took the array. Now what I am saying is from 1 to 5 range, if I got 1 to 5 range, then mark my element 1 with 1 and mark my element plus 1 where my range is ending. I will mark my element as -1. 1 is showing here as starting of the range and -1 here it is showing as ending of the range. Okay, now 2 to 8. So 2 to 8 here is there, right? So I will mark 2 to 8 again. 2 to 8 means I will gonna mark here as 1 and 8 plus 1 minus 1. I will mark 9 is showing as ending of the range. Okay, so 5 to 7 again, 5 mark 1 and 7 with -1. Okay, 7 not 7 with 8 mark -1, 7 plus 1, right? So 7 is, so 8 is showing as ending of the range. Now 15 to 18, mark 15 as 1 and 18 as 19 as -1. So here -1 is showing as ending of the range. So now what I'm gonna do is, so before my array is initialized with 0, right? Is it true, right? So if it is a 0, I'll say will I do? So this is the final array, right guys? I got. So I will say my array is looking like this. So now if I got the array, I will gonna do prefix sum of this array. Okay, please with me. I will gonna take the prefix sum of this array. I will show you how we'll take the prefix sum. As we discussed the question, the first question has prefix sum, right? So please tell me now the prefix sum of this array. So first element will be what now? Tell 0. Second element 1. Another element 1 plus 1 2. The 0 plus 2 2. Again 0 plus 2 2. 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 1
2.
Again 0 plus 2 2. 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0 plus 0 0. So this is the prefix sum. What is the maximum appearing?
2.
3, right?
3.
So index of 3 is what?
Bro. Okay, I'm sorry, I got it.
Index of 3 is?
Index of 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 15.
5. See, I'll write the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct?
Yes.
So I'm gonna return the index, right? So this approach is somewhat better we are looking. And easiest approach as we see from the past. I'm just updating the 1 and plus 1 at the ending range and minus 1. Because I'm updating minus 1, why I should update minus 1? Because I want the prefix sum of the maximum element, right? Otherwise I won't gonna get. So from 1 to 5 I updated 1 and 6 at minus 1. So I got 1 here. Again 2 to 8. 2 to 8 is 1 and minus 1 at 9. So it is saying that something is in maximum in the between ranges. So that's why I should marking 1 and minus 1. So at last we took the prefix sum of the array. So that's why we got the index of the maximum appearing element. So the approach is clear, guys. So if the approach is clear, then let's check it in code as well. So I have already coded out this. So we are given with the left array and we are given with the right array. So this code is in the C++. Now I'm taking here the max as 0 and updating my max with the right of the array. So max will be given here as the 10 to the right array size from 0 to 10 to the power 6, as I mentioned. Up to the max it what can go. So 10 to the power 6 it is there. So I'm updating my max with the max of the right of array. So now I took my previous array here, and previous array size is max plus 2. So this is in telling us 10 to the power 6 plus 2. Now as I mentioned, I will gonna take plus 1, means prefix. I'm updating my prefix sum array with the plus 1. Why plus 1? As I here updated with the plus 1 as 1, right? Prefix of array means array of what I updated, array of 1 with increment with 1, otherwise won't increment. And second, again the right side of plus 1, I will what will I update with minus 1, minus. Here I am decreasing only and only if the range is less than max. So I am gonna decreasing here. And again if I updated all this with the 1 minus 1 or whatever the range I have updated, then at last I need to take prefix sum. So for prefix sum, what will I do? I updated my max with the pre of 0 and answer as 0. So I am taking here prefix sum equal to prefix sum plus the previous element, what the prefix sum I have added. So I am saying, now I am checking here, if my prefix of element is greater than max is what? P of 0. If it is a greater, then update it, otherwise answer equal to I. So if it's updated, and we have updated answer here as well, right? So I have answer, then I will return my answer. Correct? Whenever it is greater, the element is greater, wherever whatever index, then update my answer in the I and return the I. So any doubt in the guys in the solution? Nandu, అర్థమైందా క్వశ్చన్ సొల్యూషన్?
Good.